China's strategic position appears significantly bolstered on the eve of a high-stakes summit with the United States, following a pivotal Supreme Court ruling that curbed the Trump administration's contested tariffs. This judicial intervention, which cast doubt on the legality of certain duties, has inadvertently handed Beijing a substantial advantage, potentially reshaping the dynamics of upcoming trade negotiations and broader geopolitical discussions. The development creates a complex backdrop for leaders striving to navigate an increasingly fractious bilateral relationship. The Supreme Court's decision, by challenging the foundation of tariffs imposed on billions of dollars in Chinese goods, weakens Washington's primary economic leverage tool at a critical juncture. For years, these tariffs have been a contentious point, intended by the U.S. to force concessions from China on trade practices deemed unfair. Now, with the legality of these duties in question and U.S. importers still grappling with their payment despite the ruling, the American negotiating stance is seen as compromised. Beijing can now enter discussions from a position of greater strength, potentially pushing back harder on demands regarding intellectual property, market access, and state subsidies, knowing that the tariff threat is blunted. This shift comes at a delicate time when both nations are seeking to stabilize relations amidst ongoing tensions over technology, human rights, and regional security. The upcoming summit is crucial for setting the tone for future engagement, but the tariff ruling complicates America's ability to exert economic pressure. Analysts suggest China will likely use this development to advocate for a complete rollback of the tariffs and to push for a more equitable, less confrontational trade framework. The challenge for U.S. negotiators will be to find alternative sources of leverage and to articulate a coherent economic strategy that accounts for the Supreme Court's impact, all while preventing China from exploiting this newfound advantage to its fullest during these crucial talks.